cast stone has proven to be a great alternative to natural stone and to other natural building stones because of its strength, affordability, and the infinite possibilities of design, made to complement any design style. To get started on installing your mantel, first ensure you have the materials needed. A grinder with a diamond blade, measuring supplies, construction adhesive, a drill, galvanized screws, and painter's tape will assist you in your installation. Now to get started. Here, we generously apply construction adhesive to the bottom of a hearth platform, carefully laying it into the desired position and pressing firmly to set the platform into place. To cut your filler panels, we recommend that you use a grinder with a diamond blade. Do not use a wet saw as it may damage the product. Our standard filler panel kit comes with 3 pieces, 1 for the top of your fireplace and 2 for the sides. Our filler panel kit is made to give you the perfect fit around your fireplace. Cut the 2 smaller pieces to the height of the fireplace. The larger piece is the header. Be sure to drill pilot holes into the 2 corners of your filler panels that will be furthest from the fireplace opening. Notice how our installers leave some space between the corner of the filler panel and the pilot holes. Then generously apply construction adhesive to the back of your filler panel and carefully press it into position. Our products are approved as a non-combustible material. This allows us to bring the filler panels to the edge of the fireplace opening. Once in place, use your drill and galvanized screws to screw the piece into place against the wall. Once your filler panels are installed, it's time to move on to your mantel. In this tutorial, we are installing our model 1110.511. This mantel comes with 3 pieces, 2 legs and a shelf. To begin, ensure you have measured and marked the placement of where you would like your mantel legs to be. Apply construction adhesive to the back of your mantel where it will meet the wall. Then carefully position and press your mantel into place, overlapping your filler panels. Drill pilot holes along the back of your mantel down and at an angle, cleaning up any debris as you go. Once the pilot hole is complete, use a larger bit to countersink. Then reinforce your mantel by anchoring it into the wall with your galvanized screws. Repeat this process for your other mantel leg. When installing the shelf of your mantel, apply your adhesive to the surface on top of your mantel legs. Also apply small dabs of adhesive along the back of your mantel shelf. For this process, you only want to use a little, so once your shelf is placed, the adhesive will not be visible. Then team lift the shelf and place it into position. Now that your mantel shelf is in position, you can pre-drill your holes and countersink. Similar to the process with the mantel legs, you will drill down and at an angle. It is best to align your anchors with the studs of the wall. Your installation is almost complete. Use your painter's tape to outline the seams of your mantel. With our packaging, we provide a mix to give your mantel a seamless look. This mix comes in the same finish as your mantel and has two parts, a liquid mix and a powder mix. Combine these two until it forms a peanut butter-like consistency. Then, using this mix and a spatula, you are going to fill the creases of your mantel. You can also use this mix to fill your drill holes. The mix dries quickly, so be sure not to leave your painter's tape too long. You may also use a sheet of sandpaper to smoothen out any imperfections once the putty is dry. And that concludes our 3-piece mantel installation. Remember, we are here to help and offer our expert advice should you require further assistance. Happy installing, and thank you for tuning in.